Okay, so we got a series of statements here. The red line is equation 1 and the blue line is equation 2. Okay, and we're trying to see if these are solutions to the equation. So is negative 3, 0 a solution to equation 2? Negative 3, 0, yes it is. So we got the first one here. Is negative 3, 0 a solution to equation 2? So equation 2, negative 3, 0 is right there. So I would say yes. So I'm going to enter, if I can, yes. Okay. Is negative 1, 4 a 1, negative 4 a solution to equation 1? So 1, negative 4, 1, negative 4, that's a yes. Just trying to click that. Okay. Is 5, 0 a solution, for example, for equation 1? So 5, 0, that's a yes as well, because 5, 0 is right there. So that would be yes. And 1, negative 4 a solution for equation 2. So 1, oh, is 1, negative 4 solution to equation 2? Yes, that is as well. So that would be a yes also. And since it was an equation, solution for equation 1 and 2, that means that yes, it's an equation, a solution to the entire system. And then I hit submit, and we should say good on all that. All right, that's pretty good.